Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to restrict group chat on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, I'm going to opening my messenger here and I'm going to opening a group chat, and now I'm tapping on this group member name, and here we can mute messages, mute mentions, mute call notification, and also we can turn on approval required to join. And if you want to restrict a user from the group, tap on the three dot icon next to the user and tap on restrict. So you can restrict the user or account from the group. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.